Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Wanda. Hi. Today's video, I'll be creating a ghost shirt with some strawberries and some coquette bows. And for that, I'll be using these vinyls. I'll be using this beautiful black glitter vinyl, holographic rose gold, PU white, khaki green, and pink. Those are the colors we'll be using. So now let's head over to Design Space and get creative. Let's click on New Project, click on Blank Canvas, and click on Upload. Choose an image, and if you don't find it here, just click on View All. We'll be using this first image, so I'll click on that, and then click on Add to Canvas. And now that we have the image, let's make it bigger. You can go up here and change the size, or you can do it visually. Just grab on a corner and pull till you're satisfied with the size. I normally like to do my images at least 8 to 10 inches when it's for an extra large shirt, which in this case is the case. Let's go up here and ungroup this so we can do changes if needed. I'll be changing this strawberry, so let's ungroup it. Now I can change the color of the seeds. In this case, it's white. I'll be changing it to a light pink. I also want to keep the same placing of the seeds, so I'll just click on Attach. I'll repeat the same process for the rest of the strawberries. I will also do the same for the eyes. So I'll click on that, and then I'll click on Attach. Once we're done, let's click on Make. You can save it as a project. In this case, I won't. I'll be choosing to work on a mat and confirm. And here we have our mats. We'll be needing 6 different color vinyls. If you notice your elements are too close to each other, you can also move it over so that it doesn't interfere with the cut. As you can see, I'm moving these over. Make sure to do it on this screen if you're not satisfied with the placing. Once you're done, click on Continue. And now let's go get our vinyl ready. Before we start cutting, for set base material, I'll be using Everyday Iron-On, and this turned on automatically my mirror option, which is a new option now for Cricut. We have our rolls here. I'll be taking the sticker off, and I will start to cut my vinyl the size I need it. Make sure to cut your vinyl to size so you don't waste any vinyl. After I'm done, I'll be placing the stickers back on my rolls and then storing them. Can't wait to see what comes out of this project. These colors are beautiful. Another way to keep your vinyl from opening is using the TeckWrap slap bracelets, which is this one right here. These are really great to have in hand. These come in a pack of 6. To place my vinyl on a mat, I'll be using this green mat, which is a medium tack mat. Since this is HTV, I'll be placing it shiny side down. Always place it this way, since the carrier sheet should be placed on the mat. Therefore, the dull side is the vinyl, which is the one that should be cut. Here we have our vinyl all cut. So now it's time to start doing our weeding. I'll be using this TeckWrap pin pen. which, as I say in all my videos, is my favorite. You'll be poking a corner and start pulling your vinyl. You can pull sideways very carefully to make sure you don't pull up anything that doesn't need to come up. As you can see, this vinyl is so easy to pull. I had no issues, no struggling whatsoever. TeckWrap vinyl is definitely my favorite to work with. The weeding on this is so perfect. These two vinyls I started weeding are the PU vinyl. These come in 54 different colors. And if you ask me, there's lots to choose from. Lots of beautiful colors. I will now weed the holographic one, which I thought at the beginning would give me a little bit of a struggle, but not at all. This weeded out so easy. This was easy peasy. Now let's do the glitter one. For glitter HTV, make sure to put more pressure or cut in glitter setting. Otherwise, your blade will not cut through. And now let's prep our shirt. I'll be using this 100% cotton shirt. I'll be measuring to kind of have an idea where I'm going to be placing my designs. I'll be cutting these and then kind of placing them on the shirt. This gives me an idea of how it will look at the end. Also, this way I know how far apart I'll be placing them. Once you have that figured out, you can kind of measure or eyeball it. The holographic vinyl carrier sheet does not have a lot of stickiness to it, and in this case you can use some heat tape. This will help make it stick on the shirt. And now let's preheat the shirt to get any moisture out. After that, you can use a lint roller and now let's create a guideline. You can do that by folding the shirt in half and taking it to the top of the shirt. Fold it and then just press it for a couple of seconds. And here we have our guideline. This will help you when placing your vinyl. You can also use a ruler to kind of measure the height of your design. And now let's start placing our vinyl pieces. You can kind of play around with it till you're satisfied. You can measure it or you can eyeball it. Whatever works for you is fine. I'll be placing some heat tape on this so I can hold it down. And now I'll be measuring to make sure I have the same amount of distance on each side. Make sure to place some parchment paper. And now start pressing. I have this on fast mode just so that the video doesn't take as long. Make sure to peel this on cold. In case you're wondering what's my temperature, it's at 310 Fahrenheit for 10 seconds. Although TeckWrap recommends you use 320 for 10 to 15 seconds. In this case, I'm doing layering, so I want my temperature to be a little bit low. This way, my vinyl does not shrink. And there you have it. Now let's continue to do our layering. I'll be placing the eyes on my ghost and also do the strawberry. And I was not too sure about the eyes on the ghost, so you'll see me removing it and placing it back on. And once I'm happy, then I'll place my parchment paper over and press. All right, now let's remove the parchment paper and start removing our carrier sheet very carefully. Make sure to peel this in cold. And continue to peel the rest very carefully. I gotta say, I'm loving the holographic look on the strawberry. I'll be placing some seeds on the strawberry, removing the carrier sheet from the ghost. Place some seeds on this strawberry and place the eyes on the ghost. And finish the bottom of the shirt. So kind of make sure to even everything out. Make it look all pretty. And this was just not staying. One oopsie, I forgot to put some tape on this. Luckily, nothing happened. But always make sure if you need to use tape to use it. And there, all done. Now let's remove everything. Make sure to wait till it's cold. Let's start with the eyes. And now let's do the strawberry. I really love the holographic. As I said before, it's beautiful. And this is the way it turned out. Looks beautiful. If you watched to the end and you like this video, don't forget to give us a like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.